why do we need color management? We need color management. You know, we all love our online shopping. You want to make sure you buy the right dress. You don't want it to come in the mail and have it be something totally different. Another reason we might want color management is as we proliferate more and more dual screen devices, like a dual screen laptop or a dual screen phone. You know, we've all seen bad examples of this where there are several screens, but one of those screens are a little bit yellowish, or maybe another one a little bit too green. So we want to avoid that. That's why you need color accuracy. Another new development where you need a lot of color management is with HDR. That's high dynamic range. As panels get better, you want to avoid the situation where colors may actually look better with standard dynamic range, just normal colors. They may even look better than with HDR. I mean, that's just the opposite of what you want. But if you don't manage those colors, both in SDR and HDR, that's what you may end up with. So there's increasing reasons why we need color management. One example I'd like to share today is with low blue light. You know, we've all heard that blue light is kind of rough on our eyes. Particularly the high energy blue light, it interferes with our sleep cycle, it creates eye strain. So the solution is to use those lower blue LEDs, yet keep a consistent kind of normal color temperatures. The advantages of ACB, again, are a single firmware for all panels, no change to the existing factory panel testing procedure. So there's no change to that. You improve your yields, and you get better visual performance because each panel is tuned individually. Since the TCON solution is a hardware solution, it also eliminates any compatibility issues you may have with if you're trying to do this in software. You eliminate the compatibility issues, and you actually save power when compared to software. ACB saves you money while improving the customer experience. So let's take a look at our demo and see how it's done. So in our demo, what we have here is our ACB software running on this PC here. We have our TCON on this board. And then we have a panel and a color meter. So the panel, as you may or may not be able to tell here, the color is really off. We've put a white screen on the panel so that we can measure the color temperature. Here we have the Analogix software tool. So this tool simulates what's going on inside the ACB. Remember, the ACB has its own firmware, so you can't really see it. But we've taken that and put it into the PC here. It's doing a measurement of the panel, and you can see right here, this it's over 9,000 Kelvin. So this panel is kind of way off from normal. A normal panel runs about 6,500 Kelvin. So with using this tool, I'm going to set the target to 6,500, and then just press the auto white balance. And now you can see that the panel just changes color to a more normal white color. You know, usually in a TCON, this will take place within microseconds. And it's doing this color shift, this huge color shift, without affecting the color gamut or introducing any color artifacts with grayscales. Now it's done, you can see that the color temperature is about 6526 here, about 6,500. So that concludes our introduction to our ACB technology. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.analogix.com. Thank you.